In the heart of the medieval city of Paris, amidst the cobblestone streets and bustling marketplaces, a vision of grandeur began to take shape. This was no ordinary edifice, but a cathedral of unparalleled beauty and spiritual significance, the Notre Dame Cathedral. The year was 1163, and the French king, Louis VII, had a dream. He envisioned a cathedral that would stand as a testament to the power and piety of the Catholic Church, a structure that would rival the grandeur of the great churches of Europe. And so, the foundation was laid for a cathedral that would become a symbol of Paris, a monument to the ambitions of the French monarchy, and a masterpiece of Gothic architecture. The construction of Notre Dame was a monumental task, requiring the labor of thousands of workers over a period of nearly 2 centuries. The design was a symphony of architectural innovation, with its flying buttresses, ribbed vaults, and stained glass windows. The cathedral was an engineering marvel, with its towering spires reaching towards the heavens, and its intricate sculptures adorning every corner. Yet, despite the grandeur of Notre Dame, it was not without its challenges. The project was fraught with delays and financial difficulties. The architects and builders faced numerous obstacles, from the limitations of medieval construction techniques to the whims of the French monarchs who supported and then abandoned the project. In 1335, the cathedral was nearing completion, but it was not without its scars. The 100 Years' War had left Paris in ruins, and Notre Dame was no exception. The cathedral was battered and scarred, its stained glass windows shattered, and its sculptures damaged. Yet, the spirit of the French people was undeterred. They rallied to repair and restore their beloved cathedral, setting an example of resilience and dedication that would endure for centuries. The restoration of Notre Dame was a testament to the enduring spirit of the French people. Over the centuries, the cathedral would continue to stand as a symbol of Paris, a testament to the power of faith, and a monument to the ingenuity and resilience of the human spirit. Today, Notre Dame stands as a beacon of history, a monument to the past, and a reminder of the power of human ambition. It is a testament to the indomitable spirit of the human race, a testament to our ability to dream, to build, and to rise again even in the face of adversity. And so, the story of Notre Dame Cathedral, Paris, is not just a story of a building. It is a story of human ambition, of resilience, and of the indomitable spirit that drives us to create, to build, and to dream. It is a story that continues to inspire generations, a testament to the power of human determination, and a reminder of the beauty that can be found in the most unlikely of places.